Welcome, and phone number is an LG F60, and today I'll show you how to set up a portable hotspot. So starting off, we'll need to open up the settings, and from here you will see tethering and networks. And next thing is the Wi-Fi hotspot, so I'll check that on, and it will prompt you to set up a password, so you can make a password. Needs to be 8 characters, and once it is, you will be able to save it. And now it's turning on. As you can see, hotspot name should be F60_4933, and now you can connect on different devices to this network. So just as an example, I'm gonna do this on my phone. And it's right here. Not sure if you can see it. It's the second one. This one basically, and if I type in this password that I said, I can connect to it. So you can see now I'm basically connected to this phone's network. So that is how you set up a portable hotspot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.